Hi, I'm Keith with Apollo Design Technology. Today we're going to talk about the GoboPro Plus. Plus because it's 2,800 lumens, 75 watts of raw LED power, and such a tiny little form factor. So let's get started. When you remove this item from the box, you will then remove the hood so you can access where the Gobo goes. There are two M4 stainless steel cap screws located in the side of the waterproof hood. Got two O-rings to keep the water and bugs out. All right, so here we are, the inside of the GoboPro Plus. We have two stainless steel rails, which allows us to do some coarse focusing with the lens. We have 5 different lens choices available. We have a built-in Gobo Rotator, as you can see the geared mechanism inside. We're able to access the cassette, which is easily populated with a Gobo. The cassette has a stationary opening and a rotational side. Simply insert your steel Gobo or black and white glass or color into the Gobo cassette. Snap in the holding ring quite easily, and it just pops right onto the unit. The GoboPro Plus has a built-in rotator, which allows the user to select a wide variety of speeds with nothing more than a small screwdriver. The GoboPro Plus is rated for outdoor use. It is IP65. The power supply is IP67 rated, so it can be used outdoors as well. If you choose to use it outdoors with a glass, metal, or colored Gobo, mount the unit either on a pedestal or on a C-clamp, such as the Pipe Dream clamp made at Apollo. The Apollo GoboPro Plus is available in black, available in white, and in a variety of RAL or Pantone colors. Just let us know in advance and we'd be happy to set you up.